Welcome back, cat babes, to another tutorial here on Cat's Creations. As you can see, this lovely smoky green, white, whatever you want to call it, look. If you'd like to see how to achieve this look, just keep watching. Welcome back, cat babes, to another tutorial here on Cat's Creations. In today's video, I decided I would do like a neon green vibe, just because like neon green has been standing out to me for some reason. So I got some new products in the mail. I'm super excited to let you guys know. I have the first affiliate link ever on my channel with Ruby May Cosmetics. They have some really freaking amazing products. I purchased all of this stuff, but like I got brushes, just a bunch of really good stuff for really inexpensive. Like all of this stuff right here that you see in this package, I got 2 of these, but I gave the other one to my sister. $67. So really inexpensive. Like it looks like it's gonna be very beautiful. Like I opened it, I have not used it yet. It's actually what I'm gonna be using in today's video. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, it's so pretty. But look at the colors. Look at that. Like it's beautiful. So I will link my affiliate code down below, so if you guys would like to purchase anything, I would get a commission off of it, which would be really awesome actually to start doing something like that. Like it's been a passion and a dream for me. That'd be freaking awesome. Like even if you guys just buy from them, cool. I don't need to make money off of it, but it's just the thought that I have an affiliate link with someone finally. It's just amazing. Like honestly, it's my dream, so why not start somewhere? So with that being said, I'm gonna link it below, so if you guys would like to check out Ruby May Cosmetics, you can do so. So let's go ahead and jump into this bad boy of a makeup tutorial, and let's enjoy makeup. Alright, cat babes, the first thing we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and clip my lovely mane out of the way. Okay, now that that is out of the way, we need it to stay out of our face. We are going to go ahead and put concealer on both of our eyes, because your girl here likes to do her eyes before she does her face. But I feel like I don't want to have to clean up fallout. So I caved, and after watching a Jaclyn Hill video, I went and got the Morphe Beauty Blender. I like it. However, I went to the dollar store and found that some were just like this for $1. I was so pissed, I bought 7 of them. I'm thinking I might go back and get some more just because they're really soft. It's really inexpensive, and I go through beauty blenders like I go through ice cream. Fast. So, if you guys need new brushes and beauty blenders, and they're very good quality, please go to the dollar store, because that's where I find all of my brushes. I have 2 more in a basket. So like I said, if you guys need brushes, that's where you need to go. Like, get off the couch and go. So, I don't need more makeup brushes, but you can never have too many. Or I honestly don't think you could have too many, honestly. That's just my honest opinion. I'm a makeup whore. Alright, and then using our face setting powder in the color Sandstorm. Just go ahead and set that. Okay, now that that shit has been set, I ordered the Eye Babe Faves from Morphe. It comes in looking like this. Well, it came in a bag, but I dumped it out. So it comes looking like this. So I think I'm going to use a few of these brushes today, just because I really want to try them, and I paid for them, so why not? Alright, 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 alright. Woohoo, and they're so soft. Ooh, ooh, this is the Morphe M139 brush, and we're going to jump right into that Ruby May Cosmetics Florin palette. We're going to jump right into the shade called Kitten, which is the shade right here. Ooh, it's pigmented. Okay, I see you. We're just going to go ahead and put that as a base. Ooh, my god, these brushes are so soft. Super soft. And then we are going to jump right into the green shade called Poison Ivy, which is this shade right here. We're going to jump right into that bad boy. I'm going to go ahead and put this right in the crease. And just keep blending out the color until you get to that desired shade that you want, just because you do have to build up the colors. That's how any look is. And then putting down the 25L Live in Color palette, we are going to pick out another lovely brush. We're going to pick out this one. Who's the lucky winner? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think I might get another one of these Morphe brush sets later. Not right now, but later. Because I kind of like these brushes. This is the Morphe E17 brush. And we are going to jump into the Nature green shade and the Thrive shade, which is right next to it. We're just going to mix those two shades together to get vibrant green. To put right over the top of that green that we just put down. And remember to always blend. Blend, blend, blend. And then going back into the Poison Ivy shade with the Morphe 139 brush. I'm hoping, I know this sounds bad, but I'm hoping to one day be affiliated or on the Morphe PR list. Like, I really want to be part of their team. I really do. I just love makeup that much. I really wish they would notice. But it's okay. Like I said, it's always nice to start somewhere small and work your way up. I'm thinking, though, of, hear me out, of going and getting my cosmetology license, just so that way I am certified as a makeup artist, just because it's something that I feel like I'd have fun with. And then maybe I could venture into prosthetics on people and things like that, because I really enjoy special effects makeup. I'm thinking that is something that I might do. Just because. I'm gonna be 26, I need to figure it out. I'm getting old. Oh, I feel like I'm getting old. Okay, so now that is done, we are gonna go in with the shade Activism. Wow, that's a mouthful. And we are going to use this tiny little brush right here. It says it's for a crease, because it probably is, but I'm gonna use it to lay down this green shade. Never mind. I'm gonna use my finger. I told you I'm into the green today, or have been for the last couple of days. I don't know why. I just feel like the green is calling my name. And this shade, this Activism shade, like, guys, really, you can keep building it up. Wow. Ooh, boy, I like that shade. Ooh, I like it, I like it, I like it. Ooh. All right. I am gonna go ahead. Concealer. It's the white eyeshadow primer base, and I know it's an eyeshadow primer base. Don't care. It works for what I need it to. We are going to neon it out. Alright, so now that that is done, we're going to go in with the Ruby May stackable neon shades, and we are going to slightly somehow manage to get the green open. Oh boy, I love these pigments. They're amazing. If you have not tried them yet, I know I told you guys in the beginning of this video that I just got an affiliate link with them. You should try them. I got them during their Pride sale, and I'm so happy I saw their little link for it, because I'm just over the moon with the fact that I got them. white eyeliner, we are going to try and line this the best that we can. I don't know how well this is going to go over, but hopefully we can do it. Alright, cat babes, now that I finally finished putting on the white eyeliner, we're going to go back in to that nature shade and the Thrive shade, and we are going to go ahead and go around what we laid down just to deepen the vibrancy up, just because I feel like it needs a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and put on falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright, cat babes, now that I have both eyes complete, we're going to go ahead and do the face, and I'm going to speed through this part because there's no reason why I should have to explain to you how I do my face again. Yep. Alright, cat babes, this is the final look using my Ruby May Cosmetics palette and the pigments. I think this look came out bomb. It did take a hot minute, but you know what? I love the outcome, and I hope you guys too. If you guys like to see more like this, just comment below and let me know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. But before you go, if you have not already, please subscribe to my little cat family. Hit that little notification bell to let you know every time that I upload. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Carly by Bell reference to her new launch.